In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Workspace to Squarespace. Quick guide. To keep this fast and clear, we'll work entirely inside your Squarespace dashboard. Start by signing in to Squarespace and opening the site you want to use. From the main dashboard, open your website panel so you can access the site settings. In the left-hand navigation, select Settings, then choose Domains and Email. This is where Squarespace centralizes domain management and email providers, including Google Workspace. Inside Domains and Email, find the Google Workspace area and choose the option to sign up. You'll be asked to pick a monthly or an annual subscription. Monthly gives you flexibility. Annual often provides a better overall rate. Squarespace may also show plan options. Choose the one that fits your team's storage, security, and support needs. Billing will be handled through your Squarespace account, and pricing is per user mailbox. Next, click Get a Domain. This domain determines the part after the @ in your professional email address, like info@yourbrand.com. If you already have a domain connected to your site, Squarespace may suggest using it for email. Otherwise, you'll search for a new one here. Type your desired domain name into the search field to check availability. Keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your brand. If the .com version isn't available, consider reputable alternatives like .so or a country-level domain that suits your audience. When you see the domain you want in the results list, select it to continue. Proceed by clicking Checkout. On the checkout screen, carefully review the domain spelling, your contact details for registration, and your billing currency. You may also see options like domain privacy and auto-renew. Enable privacy if available to reduce unwanted solicitations, and consider auto-renew so you don't risk losing ownership later. Before finalizing, choose your term length. Select the 1-year option to lock in the domain for a full year and simplify renewals. Once everything looks correct, complete the purchase to begin provisioning. Squarespace will now connect your new domain with Google Workspace behind the scenes, automatically configuring the required DNS records. Provisioning can take a few minutes. When it's done, you'll manage Google Workspace from the same domains and email area, where you can view your subscription, add or remove user mailboxes as your team grows, and access your new inbox. If changes don't appear immediately, give it a little time and refresh your dashboard. Make sure your payment method is current, and keep your confirmation emails for reference. That's it. Your Google Workspace is now connected to Squarespace, ready for professional email.